Come on, join your hands and close your eyes. Sairam? Okay. Now, tell me, have you gone through the chapter? Have you read the chapter? Those who have not done earlier? Okay. Now, basic thing is the sources. On the basis of the sources, we come to know about our past. Sources can be manuscripts, inscriptions, remains of buildings, weapons, tools, whatever. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
ma'am, what is
Rishika?
SSC?
Social science.
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Yes, Avika.
Ma'am, you will teach us civics and
Yes,
geography.
yes. All three subjects, beta. Geography, SPL, and history. Okay. All three subjects I'll be teaching. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Where you have come from? Which place, Avika?
Ma'am, from Guna.
From Guna only. Their teachers are different for different subjects.
Ma'am, in ma'am, the science, social science. मैम हमें अभी सब्जेक्ट आए हैं सिविक जियोग्राफी एंड हिस्ट्री
Equal teacher or different teachers? No,
मैम
suppose you
मैम सेम टीचर
same teacher. Okay. Here also same teacher will be teaching. Okay.
ओके मैम
Yes, will we start? Continue with that.
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry. Okay. Fine. I'm presenting my screen now. We have covered various sources of history. Then how can we find our past? Where did people live earlier when they were not civilized? Okay, when they were living in jungle, when they were not civilized, they were not knowing anything. Yes. Various sources of food. From where did they get food? They collect forest produce. They used to hunt animals also. Later on, they started growing crops also. We have found some evidences where we have found the grains which says that they used to grow wheat and barley. Okay, they used to rear animals like sheep, goat, cattle, and in some places like in the middle region or central region of India and Garo Hills. Okay, northeast region. We have found some.
नहीं दिख रही है
मेरी स्क्रीन नहीं दिख रही है इज इट सो बेटा
Ma'am, it's clear. Ma'am, it's clear. And
आपने मुझे पिन कर दिया होगा हार्दिक आपने मुझे पिन कर दिया होगा मेरे पिक्चर पे एक बार और क्लिक करोगे तो आपको ये दिखाई देगा ओके आपने मुझे पिन कर दिया इसलिए मैं शायद दिख रही होंगी या आपने आपको पिन किया होगा आपने ओके Then we have observed the picture of India also, the map of India. We have seen that Kirthar and Suleiman Hills are there here in the northwest region. This is northeast region. You can see my cursor where you can find Garo Hills. And this is northwest region where you can see Kirtar Hills and Suleiman Hills. Okay, and in between you will find Indus River and the tributaries of Indus. Okay, on the basis of Indus River, our country is named as Hindustan later on, okay? Here, Vindhyas is there where archaeologists have found rice production. The evidence is that people here produces rise. Okay, and all the areas you will see that there are rivers. So plain area, fertile land was available to them so that they could grow crops over here. Now, development of cities, we have discussed in our first class that development of cities, like people started settling their life near rivers or water sources. Okay, so development of earlier cities were on the bank of rivers or the sources of waters. Development of cities in later period you will find near the banks of river Ganga and its tributaries, like we have read about Magadha, the biggest kingdom that was developed near the tributary of river Ganga called Son. Powerful Mahajanpada named Magadha developed to the south of the river Ganga over the bank of its tributary known as Son. And the powerful rulers who set up this large kingdom, they had means relation between different countries also. They have captured whole country, even the surrounding area as well as the forest region. They have captured each and everything so that they could benefit by capturing all those things. Any doubt till here? Any doubt till here? Because we have already discussed all these things. Now coming to this purpose of traveling, this we were doing. Okay. So there were various purposes. Early men started traveling from one place to another for various reasons. Yes, beta. Any doubt? Anybody else?
No, ma'am.
Is there any doubt? Shall I continue? Shall I continue, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Ma'am, shall you continue?
Purpose of traveling. Now, people nowadays also they used to travel from one place to another, and in the earlier time also people used to travel for various reasons from one place to another. Now, the basic thing for which they traveled long distances, they traveled in search of livelihood. This is the basic need. खाना हमें बहुत जरूरी है, खाना पानी और घर, जिसको हम बोलते हैं रोटी कपड़ा और मकान, या बेसिक नीड्स क्या, हमारा भोजन पानी की व्यवस्था हो जाए या हमारे सिर की छत मिल जाए, हमें शेल्टर मिल जाए. तो लाइवलीहुड के सर्च में वो ट्रैवल करते रहते थे फ्रॉम वन पार्ट ऑफ द फॉरेस्ट टू अनदर पार्ट ऑफ द फॉरेस्ट टू एस्केप फ्रॉम नेचुरल कैलामिटीज. In order to escape from natural calamities like drought, flood, etc., they used to move from one place to another place. Then the next point is to conquer others' land. If they are very strong and brave, they used to conquer the lands of others so that they could get each and everything which they needed. Like animals, they could get the land, they could get the pasture land. Pasture land means grasslands for grazing their animals. Okay, so for conquering others' land also, they used to travel from one place to another. Few people, they move from one place to another for adventure purpose. They wanted to go to other places, that is why they went. They wanted to find out some new places. So in search of those places, they moved from one place to another place. You can note down the points also. These points are there in your book, but I have written in the form of points. Religious people moved to deliver religious understanding, their thoughts. They wanted to share their views and thoughts to other people. That is why they moved on foot. Means of communication and transportation. Caravans, do you know? Caravans, you know? When traders...
No, ma'am. House on wheels.
Yes, Aditri, you are saying better?
House on wheels. This caravan is a house on wheels.
House on wheels. Okay,
yes,
very
we can
good.
move it to another place, and it is a house, basically the living room, bathroom, and bedroom, and everything.
Means all the things which are necessary, which are required by those people.
In a car.
They used to carry all those things. That is why You can say that
Ma'am,
this is a
normally
house.
bulls were used to take them everywhere. Normally.
Ma'am,
You can
ma'am,
see.
nowadays we drive the caravan.
You can see people moving from one place to another. Here also, those who are living near in the Gale or near Gale campus, you will find that there are few months where you can find people outside the Gale. They are making temporary houses and they are staying here. Have you seen them?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
And
ma'am,
they
in
used to
small
do
little
small
tents.
work. Yeah,
Yes, ma'am.
making tents and all with all their things, carrying here and there. Wherever they move, they used to carry those things with them. Okay. So this way also they are known as generally, क्या बोलते हैं उन्होंने? कभी आपने सुना है?
Caravans.
Caravans. Okay. और
Carvan.
हाँ, हिंदी में कारवां बोलते हैं. English में you can pronounce it as caravans. Okay. And ships of merchants. So these were the means of communication and transportation, you can say, because people that time they used to move in groups for their safety and protection. Okay. Now, what was the result? When they used to move from one place to another, they used to travel from one place to another, it results in various things. The positive results they got, like exchange of ideas. When they move together, they exchange their ideas with one another. Cultural traditions. We that time when we shared our ideas, we enriched our cultures and traditions by asking them, by sharing our views, by knowing them. We used to collect all the new ideas. Okay, now also when you talk to each other, when you talk to your friends or somebody else outside, while moving, while traveling, you come to know about those people. ऐसा नहीं होता कि नए लोगों से बात करके हमें कुछ भी पता नहीं चलता. अगर दो अलग अलग स्टेट के लोग मिलते हैं तो दे यूज टू एक्सचेंज देयर आइडियाज, दे टॉक अबाउट देयर कल्चर एंड ट्रेडिशंस. दिस वे वी enhance our knowledge, we increase our knowledge, beta. New ways of carving stones. Now that time we discussed that early men used to find out tools which were nothing else, only types of stones. Okay, टाइप्स ऑफ स्टोन. ऐसे डिफरेंट डिफरेंट पत्थर वो इकट्ठे करता था जो शार्प एजेस के हों, क्योंकि उसको जैसे जैसे पता चला कि अगर पत्थर शार्प होगा, उसका वेपन शार्प होगा, तो he could kill the animals easily, he could hunt the animals easily by using those stones or those weapons. तो इसलिए उसने क्या किया, जब ये आपस में जब वो ट्रैवल करने लगे एक जगह से दूसरी जगह और उन्हें कुछ लोग नए मिलते थे, तो उनको समझ में आया कि वो अपने स्टोन्स कैसे बनाते हैं. And they too started in the same manner. They use the same way to carve their stones for making weapons. Composing music and cooking food. They shared their knowledge with one another and they could compose music also. म्यूजिक अगर आप बोलोगे कि ऐसे म्यूजिक तो नहीं रहे होंगे ऐसे म्यूजिक जो आप अभी लाइट म्यूजिक या जो आपके शास्त्रीय संगीत होते हैं, ये आप जानते हो, उस समय इन सब चीजों की नॉलेज नहीं थी. बट फिर भी क्या होता है कि अगर आप चिड़िया की आवाज सुनोगे तो यू विल फाइंड दैट देयर इज अ म्यूजिक रिदम. अगर आप पानी की आवाज सुनोगे तो अगेन यू विल फाइंड दैट देयर इज अ म्यूजिक. हवा की सरसराहट सुनोगे तो भी म्यूजिक है. पानी की कलकल करती हुई गिरने की आवाज या नदी का बहना भी एक म्यूजिक है. So this way the early men also starting composing music. Okay, he started composing music. Cooking food. So when we share our ideas, when our mother used to share their ideas with their friends, they used to get new ideas for cooking food. So purpose of traveling was something else, but while traveling they could get all these things. तो उसमें एडिशन ही हुआ, सब्ट्रैक्शन कहीं पे भी नहीं होता है। जब भी हम कुछ नया काम करते हैं हमारा एक्सपीरियंस रिच हो जाता है। तो अर्ली मैन ऑल्सो गॉट वेरियस एक्सपीरियंसेस। Now coming to the names of the land. Why do we call our country India or Bharat? Now, fact shows that origin of the word India from river Indus.
Yes, ma'am.
beta?
Ma'am, the name India came from the river Indus.
Yes, known as Sindhu in Sanskrit. Okay, Indus river is known as Sindhu in Sanskrit language. So the Iranians, those who were living over there near Indus river, the Iranians and Greeks called the Indus as the Hindus or the Indos. Okay, जो बाद में क्या बन गया? इंडिया। ठीक है। The land to the east of the Indus river was called as India. So हमने आपको देखा ईस्ट ऑफ द, अब इसमें ईस्ट क्या है? ये इंडस के ईस्ट में जो एरिया है ये पूरा ईस्ट साइड है। ठीक है, ये वेस्ट हो गया और रिवर के इस साइड में पूरा ईस्ट हो गया। मेरा कर्सर दिख रहा है आपको?
Yes,
मेरा
ma'am.
कर्सर दिख रहा है बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
तो इंडस रिवर के जो इस साइड में पड़ा, जो हमारे आपके सामने भी ऐसे ही होगा, जो लेफ्ट साइड में है वो वेस्ट हो गया और पूरा राइट साइड का पूरा पोर्शन ईस्ट हो गया। ठीक है।
Ma'am, how did the India country got its name? Like how it was like permanent for India? The name got permanent.
हाँ, ये देखो अभी ये नीचे भी आया हुआ है। The land to the east of the Indus River was called as India. Now, coming to the next point, the people who lived in the northwest and mentioned in the Rig Veda are known as Bharata. Okay, so later the word Bharat was used for the country. When people they talked among themselves, they started calling our country that particular portion as Bharat. Okay, and the name
Bharata is the Sanskrit word, na?
Okay, so this way we got the name of India.
Ma'am,
हाँ,
ma'am, in our music diary, the Bharata, it's written that Bharata, what is the meaning of Bharata? Like Bha means Bhava, Ra means Rag, and Ta means Tal.
Tal.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
ma'am, but Bharat name came from the Prince Bharat, who was the son of Queen
वो देखो,
Shakuntala.
हाँ, yes, उसके नाम पे भारत पड़ा, लेकिन उसके साथ भी बहुत सारे एविडेंसेस को हमको रखना पड़ेगा बेटा, बिकॉज वी आर स्टडिंग अबाउट आवर पास्ट। सो फैक्ट्स हमारे सामने है कि ऐसा हुआ। वो ऋग्वेद में भी नाम मेंशन्ड है जो आप बोल रहे हो, ये भी एक रीजन है कि प्रिंस जो था भारत, शकुंतला का पुत्र, राजा शांतनु का पुत्र, उसके नाम पर भी हमारे देश का नाम भारत कहलाया।
Ma'am, because he killed a lion.
Now we have read about what are the various sources which help us to know about our past. Now, what are the ways? We have read so many things, we have studied about it, like various sources. Now one can search for the past. आप अभी गूगल पे देख लोगे, आप नेट को यूज करोगे तो आपको समझ में आ जाएगा कि इंडिया का पास्ट क्या है, ये किसी भी कंट्री का पास्ट क्या है। इसके अलावा you have different types of books that were written long ago. If you go through those books, you will come to know about our past. Okay, same way.
Like Gita.
Yes, Gita, Vedas, Puranas, okay, epics like Mahabharata and Ramayana. If you go through these books, you will come to know this about the society of that time. Okay.
Then historical novels.
Yes. Okay, so these are the various sources. क्योंकि ये सोर्स भी कैसे लिखे गए, मैंने आपको बताया था कि अगर मेरा मन किया एक स्टोरी लिखने का और मैंने लिख दिया एंड मैंने कहा कि ये हिस्ट्री है, सो इट इज नॉट लाइक दैट एट ऑल। हिस्ट्री ये नहीं है। हिस्ट्री इज बेस्ड ऑन वेरियस सोर्सेज और उसको बहुत ही ट्राई किया होगा, टेस्टिंग की हुई होगी, तब जाके उसको सभी के सामने लाया होगा। Now, handwritten books are called manuscripts. We have seen this. This is manuscript only. Okay, because it is written on palm leaves or on specially prepared bark of a tree called birch that grows in Himalayas. So earlier paper was not there in use. People were not knowing how to prepare paper or page. So people used to write their things on palm leaves or
bark
bark of the tree called birch.
Also wrote on rock.
These books were related to religious beliefs. Now they had some ideas on religions, practices, beliefs, lives of kings, different medicines, साइंस ओके उस समय भी साइंस और मेडिसिन की नॉलेज थी लोगों को, बट हमारे जैसे इस तरीके से लिखा हुआ कुछ भी नहीं था. ओके उनकी अपनी साइंस थी, उनके अपने मेडिसिन होते थे, हर्बल जो ट्रीटमेंट होते थे जो वैद्य जी देते थे दवाइयों का, जो पेड़ पौधों से रिलेटेड होता था, या फिर बॉडी को किस तरीके से आयुर्वेद. यस बेटा.
What was science in the past time?
Yes, who will tell what was the science? अच्छा एक चीज, हाँ एक मिनट, नहीं मिथ साइंस नहीं होता, मिथ साइंस नहीं है. ठीक है, अगर आपने कभी नोटिस किया है कि जैसे गांव में जो कच्चे घर होते हैं, ठीक है, आप सभी कभी ना कभी अपने गांव गए होंगे और आप जरूरी नहीं है कि आपके घरों में पक्के घर ही बने हों, आपके गांव में आपके पक्के घर ही हों, ठीक है, कच्चे घर भी होंगे. तो आपने कभी नोटिस किया है कि किसी ने आप बोला हो कि पेड़ के नीचे रात में नहीं जाना, शाम को नहीं जाना, सोना नहीं वहां पे, या फिर आपने देखा हो कि घरों को लीपते हैं या पोतते हैं मिट्टी से या गोबर से.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ऐसा क्यों बोलते थे वो लोग कि रात में पेड़ के नीचे नहीं?
मैंने मैं heard that कि शायद किसी पेड़ के नीचे में जम्हाई नहीं लेनी चाहिए.
मैम बिकॉज पेड़ भी रात में ऑक्सीजन लेते हैं.
And because in the night all the trees take oxygen and the humans take oxygen all the time. So if we sleep under a tree, like the tree will take all the oxygen, we will get only carbon dioxide.
Yes. तो क्या होगा कि कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड से हमें प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है. सो दैट वाज द साइंस, बट पीपल वर नॉट नोइंग. तो उनका मानना क्या था कि पेड़ पे भी भूत रहते होंगे या रात में पेड़ के नीचे सोने से भूत आ जाते होंगे.
Ma'am, people says that under the puberty we don't have to do in night. We don't have to go in night.
लेकिन अब ऐसा कुछ भी है नहीं वहां पे, ऐसा है
Yes,
नहीं.
ma'am, there is nothing, but they say.
They used to say like that only. Okay. तो साइंस क्या बोलती है कि जैसा अभी आपने बताया, क्लैरिफाई किया कि बिकॉज trees also need oxygen that time. तो पेड़ के नीचे कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड की जो ये है क्वांटिटी है वो ज्यादा होगी दैट टाइम. ओके, क्योंकि एब्सेंस ऑफ सन में वो ऑक्सीजन प्रोड्यूस नहीं करता. ठीक है, तो इसलिए क्योंकि फोटोसिंथेसिस की प्रोसेस नहीं होती. तो
Yes,
ये
ma'am.
साइंस था. ओके, सेम वे घरों को जब हम लोग ये इससे लीपते थे, या पुराने समय में आप देखोगे कच्चे घरों को गोबर से या मिट्टी से लीपा जाता था, तो इससे क्या शुद्धता आती थी और घर ठंडे बने रहते थे. आजकल तो हमारे पास सब सीमेंटेड हाउसेज हैं और हमने सब एसी और कूलर फिट कर रखे हैं, बट दैट टाइम दीज प्रोविजंस वर नॉट विद देयर पीपल. दे वर नॉट यूजिंग सच गैजेट्स और सच मशीन्स. यस बेटा.
Ma'am, they spread the something. Ma'am, they spread on wall.
They spread on wall. Yes, on walls also, on this floor also.
Yes, ma'am. Then everywhere to make the house cool.
So this was the fact actually. They were not knowing about that. They were not knowing
They
about
make
that.
cool place.
Yes. तो उनको तो यही पता था कि ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए, ऐसा कर देने से ये चीज होती है, वो चीज होती है, बट एग्जैक्टली द रीजन क्या होगा, दे वर नॉट नोइंग अबाउट दैट पर्टिकुलर रीजन. ऐसी दक्षिण दिशा की तरफ सिर रख कर नहीं सोना चाहिए, या ऐसे नहीं बैठना चाहिए, वैसे नहीं बैठना चाहिए. सो देयर वर वेरियस लॉजिक given by those people, people of the ancient times or earlier periods. Okay.
मैम इन एशियन टाइम्स आई हर्ड दैट रात को नेल्स नहीं काटने चाहिए क्योंकि इन द एंशियंट टाइम्स देयर वर नॉट टॉर्चेस एंड फायर वाज नॉट इन्वेंटेड सो इफ दे ट्राइड टू कट देयर नेल्स इन द नाइट दे लाइक इंजर्ड देमसेल्व्स
hurt themselves. तो अभी भी आपके पेरेंट्स कई बार चीजों के लिए मना करते होंगे कि बेटा डोंट डू दिस, डोंट डू दैट. आप पूछते क्यों नहीं करना, क्यों नहीं करें, पहले आप बताओ. तो फिर जब तक हम अग्री नहीं होते, उससे कन्विंस नहीं होते, हम उस चीज को करते रहते, कंटिन्यू रहते हैं. बट व्हेन वी अग्रीड, ओके, दैट टाइम वी स्टॉप डूइंग दैट पर्टिकुलर थिंग. अब आपको अगर जिन बच्चों को नहीं पता है कि पेड़ के नीचे क्यों शाम को जाने के लिए मना करते, भूत नहीं रहता, एक्चुअली भूत नहीं रहता, बट ये प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है, सांस लेने में प्रॉब्लम होती है, ब्रीदिंग प्रॉब्लम होती है, और कई बार ये डेथ का कॉज भी बन जाती है जो उसके नीचे सोने की कोशिश करते हैं ड्यूरिंग नाइट टाइम.
Ma'am, if we sleep under the tree in the day, then so
no
that time
problem.
there is no problem.
No, ma'am, because in the daytime they do photosynthesis, and by doing photosynthesis, they like
they produce
take
oxygen.
Yes, ma'am, and take out. They produce oxygen and they take carbon dioxide. That's why we can sleep at the daytime under a tree.
Ma'am, we sleep in the evening time.
Evening time, when sun is not there, then it will cause problem. Okay. When sun is not there, then it will cause problem.
And because when the sun is there, plants do photosynthesis all the time and they take in carbon dioxide and release oxygen. So then there will be no problem.
No problem. Many books were written in the category of epics. Epics means long books. Mahakavya जिसको बोलते हैं, like Ramayana and Mahabharata.
Like novels.
Poems and plays. Okay. Languages were either Sanskrit, Prakrit and Tamil. Now people, they used to interact in Sanskrit language. But Sanskrit language was not the language of common people. Okay. Only kings and Pandit or the Brahmins, they use Sanskrit language. The language of common people was Prakrit. Prakrit means local language. Prakrit means local language. Okay. So, be very careful. Make a note of it. Prakrit means local language. Like everywhere, you will find that the regional language is different. So, that same way, in the earlier times also, Prakrit was the language of that particular region. And Tamil. So these three languages were used for writing all these things. Okay. Prakrit was the language of ordinary people because people could understand well in Prakrit language or local language. So they were interacted among themselves in Prakrit language only. Now study of inscriptions. Now see, inscriptions were inscribed or engraved in the pillars or a relatively hard surface, rocks or metals. Okay. Inscriptions are the sources which were usually written on the hard surfaces like metals, stones, rocks, pillars, etc. Survive for a long time. Gap is not there. Long time. Okay. Because they were written on hard surfaces, metal-like structures, stones, rocks. Inscriptions were used for the historical or religious records. Who used to write inscriptions?
Men of the kings, because they wanted to keep a record of them. Ma'am, like in Egypt, like they made drawings of the kings and buried them in form of mummies in great tombs and pyramids, and stored lots of goods with them for their afterlife. They believed that there was an afterlife after death. The Egyptians believed it.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, why the people in the past time write things on the wall of caves and castles?
To keep a record.
Think and tell about it. Why did they do so?
To keep a record.
Inscriptions.
They thought that we can know about the past from that.
Ma'am, but why did you wrote inscriptions? What was the use?
Ma'am, can I say?
Like, okay. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, the kings wanted all the people in the future to think the kings were really good and all really rich, and so that's why he kept, like, the kings told their men to write all about his victories and all his riches and stuff.
Mainly, very good, very good. Mainly, the king
keep a
used to
record.
got all the things inscribed on these rock, stones, or metals just to make a record of their victories in the battle. Victories, okay? Only victories. Or
Yes, ma'am.
if they wish to give some instruction to the common people, they made it very clear that you have to go through these instructions, you have to follow accordingly. So they had written all the things on the rocks and pillars. Okay, so that everyone could read all those instructions and they could follow easily. अभी आपको अगर मैंने कोई इंस्ट्रक्शन दिया तो जितने क्लास में हैं आई कुड सी कि इतने बच्चे क्लास में हैं एंड दे वर प्रेजेंट इन माय क्लास सो दे used to they are knowing what I have said in the class. Okay, लेकिन अगर आप एब्सेंट हो तो आपको वो मेरी जो बात है समझ में नहीं आएगी या आपको याद नहीं होगा या पता भी नहीं होगा कि टीचर ने क्या बोला. ठीक है, तो कल को जब मैं आपसे क्लास में पूछूंगी तो यू कैन गिव मी द आंसर कि मैम आपने कल ऐसा बताया था, ये था, वो था. ओके, दिस वे यू कैन टेल अबाउट दोज थिंग्स व्हिच वी हैव ऑलरेडी डिस्कस्ड इन द क्लास. ठीक है, तो अब जो इंस्क्रिप्शंस थे, इंस्क्रिप्शंस अगर इंस्क्राइब किए हुए थे किसी रिलेटिवली हार्ड सरफेस पे, दैट मीन्स कि वो डिस्ट्रॉय नहीं होंगे, दैट पर्टिकुलर थिंग विल सर्वाइव फॉर अ लॉन्गर पीरियड. ओके, एज कंपेयर टू मैन्यूस्क्रिप्ट्स. तो क्या होगा, जितनी भी नेक्स्ट जनरेशन आएंगी या जो अदर कंट्रीज से या सिटीज से लोग आएंगे, उनके जो राज्य होते थे उनमें अगर कोई आता था तो दे कुड इजीली गेट दोज थिंग्स कि यहाँ का राजा कैसा है, उसने कौन कौन सी लड़ाइयाँ जीती है, वो क्या चाहता है. ठीक है, तो ये चीजें उसको बार बार बतानी नहीं पड़ती थी. That king had appointed so many people for that particular purpose कि अगर किसी को पढ़ना नहीं आता है तो they could read for those people. Those instructions were read by the people appointed by for particular purpose to read the instructions only, which were written or which were engraved on the pillars. Yes.
Ma'am, kings, you said that the kings, in the previous slide, you said that the kings knew Prakrit language. So how can the other can understand what are they saying?
In a particular region, one language was used by the people. Like आपके घर में आप कहाँ से belong करते हो? Like you belong to Uttar Pradesh. You know the language of Uttar Pradesh. Like Adrita belonged to Bengal state. She used to know she understand that Bengali language very well. Okay, but जहाँ पे वो रहती है वहाँ पे वो जाएगी तो वो हिंदी नहीं बोलेगी. Generally, she will do conversation in Bengali language only. क्योंकि वो वहाँ की लोकल लैंग्वेज और उसको पता है कि मेरे घर में जो मेरे दादा बाबा है या नाना नानी है या जो और भी दूसरे रिलेटिव्स हैं, they used to interact in Bengali language because that is the local language of that particular area. So
and everybody knows that language.
And they could easily they will able to understand you. अगर आप किसी ऐसी जगह जाके मान लो आपको मैं बोलूं कि विलेज में जाना है and there you will start conversing in English language, they won't understand it because they
were expecting.
Because they usually speak in one of their native languages.
Yes, ma'am. They were expecting Hindi where we are talking English. Then
जहाँ पे भी जो भी लैंग्वेज चलती है अगर आप उसमें कॉन्वर्सेशन करोगे दे वुड इजीली अंडरस्टैंड यू. अगर आप कुछ और लैंग्वेज बोलोगे तो उनके ऊपर से जाएगा. ठीक है,
like ma'am, in America, if we go to America, they can only understand English. If we speak Hindi, they won't.
हाँ, तो आपको उनको नहीं सुनाना है ना, तो there you can use Hindi language then.
Ma'am, they
लेकिन ऐसा
won't get what we want to say to them.
yes. So understood that particular thing, why they use
Yes,
Prakrit
ma'am.
Yes,
language.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Coming to the next one, study of any others can also try better. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the class. Okay, so one or the other student will try to answer those queries. Okay, study of archaeological finds. Now, why do we study these things? See, archaeologists study the remains of buildings, paintings, sculptures, etc. So I told you who is an archaeologist? A person who study the remains of buildings, paintings, sculptures, who
And
used to explore.
historians.
Historians used to write history on the basis of the sources, but archaeologist is a person who study the remains of the buildings, old things, okay, paintings, sculptures,
Okay, ma'am.
okay, and the
Ma'am,
archaeologists explore and excavate.
ma'am,
Means, yes, beta.
ma'am, in the paintings like Mona Lisa is a famous painting in the world and so historical.
So by seeing the painting of Mona Lisa, what do you means? How will you know about the past? What things you will get from that painting?
And we can only see her mysterious smile, which nobody ever understood what means.
Yes,
Culture of
What
that
else?
time.
ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am, the
Ma'am,
art strokes.
Culture of that time.
And we can't
culture of that time. Very good.
Ma'am,
What else?
colors of that time.
Very good. Colors used by the painter of that time. What else?
The
Ma'am,
thoughts of
Ma'am,
the
brushes of that time.
Ma'am, clothes of that time. Ma'am, if Mona Lisa is wearing some gown or something, so clothes of that time.
Exactly. So that time, if you see the paintings, no, or other things, you will come to know about the culture and tradition also, about the society also, about the kings and queens also, about the economy also. There are various things, but it needs observation. If you observe them carefully, you will get to know all such things and you will come to know about the history. यही चीज है. आपने बहुत बहुत कोशिश की और सारे बच्चे बहुत अच्छे से इंटरेस्ट लेके देख रहे हैं. ठीक है, हिस्ट्री यही है. आपने एक छोटी सी चीज पकड़ी और उसका ऑपरेशन कर दिया. दैट इज हिस्ट्री. आपने फाइंड आउट किया कि ये कैसे बना, क्यों बना, इसी को क्यों यूज किया, ऐसा ही ड्राइंग क्यों है, ऐसा ही शेप क्यों है. ऑल इट इज हिस्ट्री. तो ये जो जितने भी आर्कियोलॉजिस्ट हैं और हिस्टोरियंस हैं, दे यूज टू उसका क्या बोलते हैं, पोस्टमार्टम कर देते. कोई भी एक चीज उनको एक फाइंडिंग मिलती है, दे यूज टू पोस्टमार्टम दोज थिंग्स and they used to find the clues from those particular things or small things even. They used to excavate, means they used to dig in from inside the earth to find the different objects like weapons, tools, pots, ornaments, coins, bones of animals, etc. On the basis of these all things, they used to create their history. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, and statues also.
Yes. One of the sources are detected, the curiosity about past becomes an adventure. जैसे ही उनको एक सोर्स मिलता है और उसके बारे में वो फाइंडिंग्स करते हैं कि ये ऐसा है, ऐसा है, ऐसा है. और जैसे जैसे आप लोगों में से कुछ को बहुत इंटरेस्ट आ गया, अच्छा फिर ऐसा कैसे हुआ होगा, ये कैसे होगा, देन यू स्टार्ट ट्राइंग टू कनेक्ट ऑल द थिंग्स. आपको कनेक्शन बिठाना जब आ जाएगा, जैसे कोई पजल हो, then you will be able to connect all the things according to the dates or according to the things that you have got, कि कौन सी पहले होगी, कौन सी सीक्वेंस होगी, कौन सी चीज कब मिले होगी. जैसे जैसे हम आगे बढ़े, हम हर चीज में अच्छे होते गए. Like if archaeologists have found so many tools in different places of different variety, like say in some places they have got blunt stones, in other places they have got small stones with sharp edges, in other places they have got that People have carved those things. They have made specially those stones for different purposes. They try to understand by all these things. What do they try to understand them? अगर उनको 3 जगह से 3 अलग-अलग तरीके के पत्थर मिले तो उन्होंने क्या गेस किया होगा? By observing those things. क्या गेस किया होगा? क्या मेक आउट किया होगा? Am I there or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, you're here.
Ma'am, you are
आप
here.
पता चला मैं आउट हूँ. हाँ, क्या गेस किया होगा? अगर ऐसा कुछ होता है तो क्या मिलेगा उनको? क्या जज कर पाएंगे?
Ma'am, can you repeat your question?
My question was, if an archaeologist get particular things like particular stone or a particular weapon or particular utensil, type of utensil, in 3 places different utensils. So what do they will about? Yes. So what do they know about all these things by connecting all the things?
Ma'am, they could know the people what they used in this, like the things they would be belonging to a particular year or like that. So they would know that what is used in this particular year and what is used in this particular year, and so on.
Very good. Very good.
Ma'am,
Anybody
could you
else?
please repeat again? Actually, Rishika's mic is on and a lot of noise is coming.
Rishika, beta,
Yes, ma'am.
mute yourself, beta.
Ma'am,
हाँ.
if I did something 2-3 days ago, that is very big thing. So it will become history.
2-3 days back.
Yes, ma'am.
2-3 days back जो चीज आपको मिलेगी, that is not at all history, जब तक कि आप उस पे रिसर्च नहीं करें. हो सकता है कि आपको you have got something which is the thing of past, but you have to first you have to explore something कि whether this thing is of older period or ancient times or this belongs to somebody else. ये हिस्ट्री कब होगा? जो हमारा ये एरा निकल जाएगा when we are not here. Like when we are studying about the ancient people, they are not there with us now. Okay, वो पास्ट हो गए, उनका अभी हमारे साथ ऐसा कुछ लेना देना नहीं है. बट आई टोल्ड यू दैट द पास्ट मेक्स द फाउंडेशन ऑफ द प्रेजेंट एंड फ्यूचर. तो अगर वो जैसा अभी आद्रिता ने जवाब दिया था, आई थिंक सो, कि 3 जगह पे 3 अलग अलग चीज मिलने से एक कनेक्शन ये होता है. आर्कियोलॉजिस्ट को ये समझ में आएगा कि द पीपल लिविंग इन दिस पर्टिकुलर रीजन दे वर यूजिंग सच टाइप ऑफ थिंग्स. अदर in other area they were better than these people. Okay, और जो third region में मिला वो उनसे भी better थे. How come? By connecting all the things. पहले वाले में मैंने बताया था कि they have got some blunt type of stones. Okay, blunt stones means naturally जो उनको मिल गया. Second में देखा कि sharp edges वाले stone थे, but they have not carved those stones. ओके, थर्ड वाले में उन्होंने खुद ही उस स्टोन को बनाया, उनको शेप देने की कोशिश की है. दैट मीन्स दे आर ग्रोइंग, दे आर डेवलपिंग, दे आर experiencing all those things, and on the basis of their experience they are creating something new.
Yes, ma'am.
इस तरीके से लाइक आपने ABCD LKG में सीखा, घर में सीखा, UKG में सीखा. बट अगर आपको बोला जाए कि आपने क्या पढ़ा और आप बोलो मेरे को ABCD बहुत अच्छे से आती है, तो आपने कोई ग्रोथ नहीं किया, आपका कोई डेवलपमेंट नहीं हुआ. बट इफ यू विल से दैट आई कैन रीड एनीथिंग नाउ, दैट मीन्स यू हैव developed yourself. Now you
Ma'am, to develop anything, we need a like starting point, like a source.
yeah.
I learned the thing very well.
Like, ma'am, if we don't know alphabets, we won't be able to make any sentence.
Yes, so the base is alphabet. Base is alphabet. You have to grow on your own. You have to develop on your own by practicing, by trying. Okay. तो ऐसे ही जब हमें हिस्ट्री के सोर्सेस मिलते हैं, तो by making that source as a base, we have to develop the thoughts.
Because spoon feeding won't feed us for long.
One of the sources are detected, the curiosity about past becomes an adventure. जैसे ही किसी को कोई सोर्स मिलता है कि अच्छा ये इस टाइम का सोर्स है, सो आर्कियोलॉजिस्ट के लिए और हिस्टोरियंस के लिए वो एक एडवेंचर बन जाता है. नाउ दे यूज्ड टू फाइंड आउट व्हाट ऑल थिंग्स आर देयर दैट टाइम. Okay, so historians and archaeologists are like detectives. Now, from that small clue, they used to know the period, the era, about the past, about the ancient time, about the early men. Okay, they used to relate that particular thing with all such past things or past people. Okay, so this way they are known as detectives because they used to create history bit by bit with small things, with taking these sources as a you can say proof. Okay,
Ma'am,
so
example.
yes beta, like I told you just now, like suppose these are some weapons. Okay, weapons, you can see the shape and size of the weapons and the painting done on the weapons. Okay, earlier if you find later period, if you find that more beautiful and more means bigger size, or the things which are not so finished, you can you guess about these things by looking at looking all those weapons, all those this on pots and this, can you guess something about that, why
Ma'am,
this
we
is
can
so?
see that it's old, and now we can take like all advanced apps and see in which year it is
Okay,
made.
same way, like these are some coins. If you see coins of the olden period or ancient times, you will easily come to know about the economic of that particular era. Okay, economy, why economy? Or what is the means, whether the king was rich or poor, or whether he used to live a very lavish life or very this such type of life, like he used to spend
Luxurious.
lots of money, luxurious life. By looking at the coin only. If it is made up of gold, that means the society was very rich. If it was made up of silver, that means it is little bit lower than that one. If the coin is made up of some other metal like
Ma'am, copper and
very
bronze.
copper and
Gold,
bronze, or very
silver.
you can say cheap uh, this metal. Okay, so that way you will come to know that the society or the economy was very poor or very means weak that time economy. So
Yes,
this
ma'am.
way we come to know about that particular era or time by using these sources, and by using these sources we create history, because history is nowhere written. Okay, we used to create them on the basis of the sources that we get. Okay, one more point was there, one past or many. What do you think? This was my last slide.
Ma'am, many.
I'm coming back. Okay.
Ma'am, many. Ma'am,
Many.
because every
Ma'am,
country
what
has
is the
its
meaning
own
of dynasty?
history.
Ma'am, what
Ma'am,
is the
every
meaning of
city,
dynasty?
ma'am, every country, every
Dynasty, I'll
country,
tell you, beta.
every
I'll tell
state,
you
every
later on.
city, every home has has a history.
Okay, very good. Aditri,
Yes,
same
ma'am.
answer. Same answer.
Yes, ma'am. That every has a history. And there are many dynasties like Qutub Shah dynasty and etc.
Okay. Nakshatra,
And same answer.
same answer. Anybody else having different answer? Uncle, different answer. Avika, Aya, anyone?
Ma'am, everybody has the same answer that there is lots
Same
of
answer.
history.
Like suppose we all used to eat food, we all used to sleep at night. ठीक है, इतने सारे लोग हैं, इतने सारे बच्चे हैं क्लास में, ठीक है, लेकिन हम, अगर मैं बोलूं कि मैं तो ऐसे ही सोती हूँ या मैं यही खाती हूँ, that is not related to you. It is only related to me. Okay, because everybody is having different type of lifestyle. आपके सोने का स्टाइल अलग होगा, आपके खाने का स्टाइल अलग होगा, आपके फैमिली का ट्रेडिशन अलग होगा. Everything is different. So if in one place something is going on, in the other countries also, in other region also, something is going on which is not same as we are experiencing. जो हम यहाँ देख रहे हैं, that is not with everybody. ठीक है, मेरे घर में जो हो रहा है वो आपके भी घर में होना चाहिए. दिस इज नॉट
नेसेसरी.
ये भी नेसेसरी नहीं है, और जो चीज मैं सोच रही हूँ वो भी नेसेसरी नहीं. आपकी थॉट प्रोसेस के अकॉर्डिंग आपकी चीजें होंगी, मेरे थॉट प्रोसेस के अकॉर्डिंग मेरी चीजें मैं कंडक्ट करूंगी. ओके, जैसे अगर मैं आपसे कोई एक पॉइंट पूछूंगी तो 35 स्टूडेंट्स क्लास के अगर हैं तो दे हैव 35 डिफरेंट आंसर्स ऑन वन पर्टिकुलर थिंग. That is your
There will be different opinions.
opinion. Why do different opinion? Because your perception is different for that particular thing.
Because
आपकी
everybody's
सोच-
thought process is not the same.
Yes.
Our mind is different.
Okay.
But
और ये
our
कैसे
thinking
होता
power
है?
is different.
आपकी जो surroundings है ना, you come to know with the help of these surroundings. You take help of your surrounding, you take the help of your background, you take the help of your the things which are there with you. Okay, on the basis of that you create opinion, you make your opinion. Clear? So this is your chapter. Now tomorrow again I am having period. So tomorrow we'll be discussing question answers. I may give you one Google form also. Okay, after completion of every chapter I'll give you one Google form for just for practice, and that is MCQ. MCQ, small question. That
Ma'am.
means you have to
Okay,
go
ma'am.
through the chapter. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, like in our fifth class, I'm just like suggesting it, not forcing. Can like in our fifth class, if a Hindi ma'am, after every one chapter, she gave us like one project, like in PPT, you have to collect like the information about the chapter. So this is
Yeah.
history, so it's
I'll
interesting.
give you some other time. Okay, I'll give
Okay.
you for making this project also.
Ma'am,
For
in
making
history
PPT.
there are no projects.
Projects are there, but for assessing you, for the assessment purpose, I'll give you. Okay, you have to
Ma'am,
prepare
history is an
one
interesting
topic.
project.
Any one topic
Interesting
from
subject.
history, geography, or SPL. Any one topic from any of the book. So I'll give you later on, not now, not
You
at
will
present.
send us
Okay.
PPT to write the question answers.
PPT? Yes, what you
Ma'am,
want
you
to
will
ask?
send us PPT to write question and answers.
This PPT is there in the recording. No? What will you do this with this PPT? This
And
is
what
there
is
in
the
the
full form of SPL?
So we have to write this.
social political life.
Okay, ma'am.
Earlier it was named as civics. That means civic sense. Now it is social and political life, because we used to study about the politics also, about our administration also, and about our society also. Okay,
And so
that
we
is
have
why
to
the
write
name is changed as SPL, social political life.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, let us conclude today's class. Be ready with the question answers. Tomorrow we'll discuss. Okay.
And we have to write these answers which you tell us in the PPT.
Ma'am, do we have to write all the question answers in the book?
I'll tell you which answers you have to write. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
beta? Haan. Basic thing is to understand the concept. You have understood the concept that why sources are required. What is the use of sources? Why do we need sources? Okay. Why? How people used to write history, or on what basis people used to write, or historians used to write history. So ये अगर आपका concept clear है, if it is very clear, then you can attempt any question related to that. So make your concept clear. मैं जो answer बोल रही हूँ, that is not your answer at all. When you will be writing, you will write your own answer according to your thinking, taking my answer as a base. Taking my answer as a base. Give examples. Okay, give examples to write your answers. Okay, and use your own language. कहीं बुक से या कहीं नेट से उठा के बिल्कुल भी नहीं लिखना. अगर आप ऐसा करोगे तो बहुत मुश्किल होगी. ठीक है, तो कहीं से कॉपी नहीं करना है, बट मुझे चाहिए कि आप अपना सोचकर अपने सेंटेंसेस फ्रेम करें, अपने वर्ड्स डालें जिससे आपको याद रहे. ऐसा नहीं हो कि डिफिकल्ट सा वर्ड कहीं से उतार के रख दिया और यू डोंट नो द मीनिंग ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर वर्ड एंड यू आर क्रामिंग इट अप. ओके, वो नहीं चाहिए, वो नहीं चाहिए. आप सिंपल लैंग्वेज लिखो, अपनी तरफ से क्रिएट करना. ओके ओके बेटा,
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
लेट अस डू शांति पाठ. शांति शांति शांति. साईराम.
Saira ma'am.
Sarah ma'am, thank you ma'am.
Saira ma'am,
Saira
yes,
ma'am,
ma'am. Hi, ma'am.
Saira ma'am, and thank you, ma'am. We enjoyed your class.
Lost my connection. Can you hear me? Yes.